At number 1, we have the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. The LifeStraw is a lifesaver for adventurers and travelers who need safe drinking water anywhere. This lightweight, portable straw filters out 99.99% of bacteria, parasites, and microplastics without batteries or pumping. It can purify up to 4,000 liters of water, making it ideal for emergencies or remote travel. Its compact design and durable construction ensure long-term reliability in the harshest conditions. Users consistently praise its effectiveness and peace of mind. A highly recommended essential for safe hydration on the go. Get yours today.
At number 2, we have the napfun neck pillow. Engineered with a 360-degree support design, its high-quality memory foam cradles your head and neck, reducing pain and strain. It's perfect for long flights, road trips, or even a quick power nap at the office. The breathable fabric keeps you cool, and the removable cover is machine washable for ultimate convenience. And when it's time to go, it compresses down to a third of its size and fits into its own travel bag. Upgrade your travel comfort with the napfun neck pillow. It's the support you deserve, guaranteed for life. At number 4, we have the UPGOGO travel vacuum bags. The UPGOGO travel vacuum bags are excellent space-saving organizers that compress clothing and bulky items to maximize luggage capacity. These reusable bags use a vacuum seal to remove air, reducing volume by up to 80% while protecting contents from moisture, dirt, and odors. The included hand pump or optional portable electric pump ensures lightning-fast deflation. The rechargeable electric pump is perfect for on the go, making packing and unpacking simpler than ever. Available in multiple sizes, they are perfect for seasonal clothes, jackets, or souvenirs on return trips. Travelers appreciate the sturdy material and reliable double zip design. A practical solution for efficient and organized travel.
At number 5, we have the Tocelffe Travel Bottles Set. The Tocelffe Travel Bottle Set is a TSA-approved essential for carrying liquids, creams, and toiletries in carry-on luggage. Made from flexible, leak-proof silicone with secure screw caps, these bottles are durable, easy to squeeze, and clearly labeled for convenience. Users love their transparency for quick security checks, reusability, and how they prevent spills. Compact and lightweight, they keep your toiletries organized. Upgrade your travel game with Tocelffe.
At number 6, we have the CIVPOWER neck fan. Engineered with 360-degree surrounding airflow for a powerful yet gentle breeze that cools you from all angles. Choose your perfect comfort level with 3 adjustable speeds, from a light breeze to a strong cooling wind. With a massive 4,000 mAh battery, enjoy up to 16 hours of cool refreshment on a single charge. It's the ultimate travel essential, keeping you cool at music festivals while sightseeing or on a sunny cruise. From shopping and sports to the office, its lightweight, hands-free design is perfect for any activity. And it's the perfect gift for anyone who values comfort and staying cool even while relaxing at home. The CIVPOWER Neck Fan, your personal cooling companion anywhere, anytime.
At number 7, we have the TRANOMOS silicone bottle covers. Made from soft, shock-absorbing silicone, they provide excellent protection for your glass or fragile bottles during travel. They fit standard bottle sizes and feature a textured grip for easy handling, preventing breakage and leaks in your luggage. Ideal for wine, toiletries, or beverages, they add a layer of safety for checked or carry-on bags. A smart, inexpensive solution for safeguarding your valuables and avoiding messy accidents on any journey. Durable, reusable, and compact. Get your TRANOMOS silicone bottle covers and travel with peace of mind.
At number 8, we have the NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag. The NISHEL Travel Toiletry Bag is a spacious and well-organized hanging organizer designed for easy access to toiletries on the go. With multiple compartments, waterproof lining, and a convenient hook for hanging in bathrooms or showers, it keeps items secure and visible. The durable, lightweight material resists stains and tears, making it perfect for short trips or extended vacations. Users love its capacity, thoughtful layout for bottles and tools, and how it simplifies unpacking at hotels. A reliable choice for maintaining hygiene and order while traveling. At number 9, we have the Mrsdry travel bottles for toiletries. The Mrsdry travel bottles offer a premium set of leak-proof, squeeze bottles ideal for carrying liquids in compliance with TSA regulations. Crafted from high-quality, flexible silicone with secure flip-top caps, these bottles are reusable, easy to clean, and resistant to bursting. They come in practical sizes for shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and more, with clear markings for easy identification. Frequent travelers praise their reliability, vibrant colors, and how they help stay organized without spills during flights or daily use.
At number 10, we have the Nulaxy dual folding cell phone stand, the ultimate travel companion. It folds completely flat for easy packing in any bag. With a wide range of adjustable angles, it's compatible with all phone sizes for the perfect view. Engineered with dual core shaft technology for unbeatable stability, your phone stays secure no matter what. Perfect for your nightly charge or morning routine, keeping your device within easy reach, and the best phone companion for video calls, freeing your hands for work, or a coffee break. The Nulaxy dual folding stand, an essential gadget for entertainment and productivity wherever your journey takes you. So,
at number 11, we have the MiiKARE airplane phone holder. The MiiKARE airplane phone holder is specially designed for in-flight entertainment, securely clamping onto airplane tray tables for hands-free viewing. Adjustable and flexible, it holds your smartphone at the perfect angle for movies, reading, or calls without wobbling. Compact and lightweight. It's easy to pack and use on any flight, or even at home. Travelers love its stability, ease of installation, and how it transforms long flights into more enjoyable experiences. A clever solution for airplane comfort.
At number 12, we have the Koonie Clip Fan, the ultimate portable, rechargeable clip-on cooling solution. Its strong, versatile clamp lets you clip it anywhere. With adjustable speeds and amazing 14 mAh S-Max airflow, it's perfect for any workout or activity. And with a 24-hour battery life, you can stay cool all day and night. From camping trips to outdoor movies, quiet, powerful, and ready for any adventure. That's the Koonie Clip Fan. Get yours now.
At number 13, we have the Weershun Travel Pillow. The Weershun Travel Pillow offers ergonomic neck and head support with its innovative design for comfortable rest during travel. Made with premium memory foam and a soft, breathable cover, it adapts to your posture and includes a secure strap to keep it in place. It compresses into a compact carry bag, making it easy to pack. Many users report reduced neck strain on flights and better sleep quality compared to standard pillows. A comfortable and supportive choice for long journeys.
At number 3, we have the JISULIFE portable neck fan. This revolutionary hands-free cooling solution is designed specifically for your on-the-go lifestyle. It's even lighter than your headphones, making it incredibly comfortable to wear for hours. Powered by an upgraded brushless motor, it delivers 360-degree cooling with 5 adjustable speed settings. Its bladeless, quiet operation is perfect for beating the heat on any adventure, from hiking to sightseeing. With a massive 4,000 mAh battery, enjoy up to 16 hours of cool comfort on a single charge. Free your hands to cheer, dance, and enjoy every moment, staying cool and refreshed. It's the thoughtful and practical gift for anyone who loves to stay cool and comfortable. From your daily commute to your next big adventure, the JISULIFE neck fan is with you. JISULIFE, make coolness a part of life.